Okay, so this new turbine has got to be on this road somewhere. Okay, they're placing it on the road between Bryn turbine and Cum turbine, and then it's got to be on the perpendicular from Aber turbine to the road. So perpendicular, if you think about it, from Aber turbine will be so going down like this, yeah. So it's perpendicular means it's at right angles. So it's going to be roughly somewhere here. Okay, when you draw your perpendicular. Okay, so it'll be here, literally on the road, then joining these two. Now, you've got to use compasses, it says there, right, on a ruler. Okay, so you can't just sort of like guess it or use a protractor. They're gonna look, they want to see arcs, okay? Now, in order to do this, in order to sort of, if you like, drop down the perpendicular, yeah, that's what we want to do, drop down a line so it's perpendicular to this. What you do is, you get your compass and you put it on Aber here, right? You put it on the pin there and you open up your compass so that it is longer than the perpendicular that you're going to draw later on. So if I look at how much I've opened it now, that's not longer than the perpendicular, isn't it? My perpendicular line has got to meet this road here. So I need to make this compass a bit longer. Okay, so that will do there. That will be sufficient. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to draw an arc here, okay, on that side, and an arc over here then as well. Okay. Right, so just two arcs, okay, that cut the road. They've got to cut the road. And then I take my compass, don't change the gap here, put your pin on here, where the arc and line cross, and draw an arc down here. Do exactly the same then, don't change the width here, put your pin on here, where the arc and line cross, and then draw an arc there. Now that then, if I connect that to Aber, where these intersect here, it should be perfect right angle, okay? So you can see there, right, if I join these up perfectly where the arcs cross and Aber the point there, okay, that does look pretty good actually, okay? It does look pretty good in terms of a right angle, okay? So I'll draw that in then, okay? Make sure that's lined up there. Okay, so we've got there what looks like a 90-degree angle. Okay, so what we've got to do then is measure the distance from here, it says, to the Dur turbine, yeah? Okay. The other thing then, of course, as well, we need to sort of label the E there for the Evod turbine. So if I measure the distance from here, we've got again, we've got to look for accuracy here. It comes out to be, I've got 7.3, I think. Okay, 7.3 centimeters. And it does say then every 2 centimeters represents a kilometer. So I've got to now divide this by 2. Okay, see how many kilometers that is. So 7.3 divided by 2. Well, you can use the bus stop if you want to here. 2 into 7 goes 3 times, remainder 1. 2 into 13 goes 6 times. Okay, because that'll give you 12, won't it? 6 lots of 2 is 12, so it'll be remainder of 1. So put a 0 here and bring that, carry that 1 over. And 2 into 10 goes 5 times. So actually I've got 3.65 kilometers.